All right, guys, here's another fun lunch idea for those picky toddlers that refuse to eat anything. I have one at home, and I think I just cracked the code, guys. So mine has been eating everything I give him, like everything in the plate, as long as it has freaking eyeballs or teeth or something. So I decided to make him some mummy pizzas. I do toast the bread a little bit. That way, whenever I put the pizza sauce, it doesn't get super soggy. And then I use cheese strings for the wrapping and some olives for the eyes. Oh, and I forgot to say pepperoni, of course. I also did some monster apples. All I did was put peanut butter, use some almonds for teeth, and then put some eyes on those mother truckers and he'll eat them. Some skeleton bones, even though he called them dog bones, and yogurt with some monster tongues all over it. Now, I struggle a lot with Joseph to eat, like a lot. I even got him like a little high chair to sit his little ass there so he can eat. Now, he does hesitate at the beginning, like he's like, am I really eating an eye? But he eats it. Yummy. Look at him. Oh, yummy. Yes, pinche peñico. But anyways, this is another fun lunch for your toddler. All right, guys, I'm about to show you my amazing find at the flea market today. A Big Papa garlic head. No. Now, this is like another level of Big Papa. Now, the one on my left is like the regular ones you buy at the store. And then the one that I just got at the flea market is this one. I didn't even know how to show you guys how ginormous this thing is. I even put it as a ring. I put it next to my hand. Now, while I was choosing my garlic heads, I came across this. So I was like, oh, so you're selling onions too? And she looks at me. She's like, no, that's a garlic. All right, now put it in the bag because I think you're lying to me now. As soon as I got home, I started to open up the onion/garlic, and it turns out it is the garlic in the shape of an onion. You can actually slice and dice these mother truckers too, like an onion. They were a little on the bright side, and the smell wasn't so strong. So do I need to cure them? Somebody needs to let me know before I get chorro. So I got me a big old bag. There you have it, guys. Bye. All right, guys. Today we're gonna make some cheesy, fluffy, garlicky naan bread. To a bowl, you're going to add a package of fast rising yeast, a tablespoon of sugar. You're going to let that come alive, and then you're going to add 3 cups of flour. You're also going to need a teaspoon of salt, but I'm going to use smoky salt so it can give the naan a nice little smoky taste. Half a cup of full fat plain yogurt and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now, you can either mix by hand or use your mixer. I'm going to use a mixer because I had things to do this day. Spray it with a little bit of nonstick, cover it with some plastic wrap, and then once it puffs, you beat it up and cut it up into small pieces. Now, the dough is ready and it's perfect for you to start making the naan bread and just enjoy it with whatever Indian-inspired dish you have. But we said we were doing the most. So we're going to stuff our dough with cheese, and then we're going to cut up some garlic, cilantro, roll it out, and then we're going to put it on the comal, put lots of butter, and then we made our delicious butter chicken tacos. And there you have it, guys. Hope you like this recipe. Bye! Let's pack today's lunchbox, my friends and followers. Today we're making them a Big Papa chicken mole wet burrito. So we're going to begin by making the mole. And I have the chiles, the spices, aromatics, seeds, everything under the kitchen sink, the tub, the counter. Anything that you can think of is going to go on the comal, and we're going to fry that shit up. And we blend everything using the chicken broth that we used to cook our chicken. Then we season it up with a little bit of salt or some chicken bouillon. And then once the mole is ready, we're going to begin to make our Big Papa burritos. I'm going to make a nice little bed of some Mexican rice. Then I add some shredded chicken on top of the rice. Add lots of Monterey Jack cheese because we're going to make this burrito nice and cheesy. Then I drizzle just a little bit of that mole sauce, a little bit of some sesame seeds, roll it up. This one had a little accident, but it's okay because we were going to get it nice and crispy on the outsides. Then I split it in half, put it in the box, and then ladle the whole burrito with mole sauce. None of the burrito was left uncovered, I think. Drizzle it with some Mexican sour cream, and then we crumble some queso cotija on top. I like to eat my mole with cebollas and chiles curtidos and salt and lemon. And then for their drink, I just made them a simple jamaica. That's it, guys. I'm going to get everything ready for them so they can come pick up during lunchtime. Bye! Let's pack today's lunchbox, my friends and followers. Some of you guys know that I've been obsessed with Indian food. I've been exploring, experimenting. I even got my own little spice box. All of their dishes are exploding with flavors, and I'm not even kidding. So today we're gonna make them a chicken tikka masala pasta. I begin by prepping and marinating my chicken. I'm gonna thinly slice some chicken breast and then marinating using all these ingredients I'm gonna list on the screen. Pop it in the fridge overnight. Pan with a little bit of olive oil. We're going to cook our chicken. Then we're gonna remove it using the same pot or pan pan, we're gonna make the sauce. You're gonna add a little bit more oil, butter or ghee, and then you're gonna fry up some of your spices. You saute your onion, garlic, and ginger, add more spices, your tomato sauce, your tikka masala paste. You guys, all the ingredients are gonna be listed on the screen. Now for the pasta, guys, I ended up using the rainbow kind because apparently that's all we had at home when I know I bought spaghetti and fettuccine. I'm gonna add some cheese to the pasta because I love cheesy pasta, and while that was getting nice and cheesy, we are going to cook the naan. Now for plating, we're gonna make a nice little bed of that cheesy pasta, slice up some chicken, then we garnish it with a little bit of cilantro, some lime, and of course our cheesy, delicious garlicky naan. For their drink, they had the option between a soda or a mango lassi drink, which is a yogurt and mango drink. There you have it, guys. So I'm just gonna get everything ready for them, including their drink, so they can come pick up during lunchtime. Bye! Alright guys, today we're gonna make a quick little after school snack. We're making some pizza egg rolls. So you're gonna need some egg roll sheets, and then we're gonna add cheese, pepperonis, or whatever it is that you like on your pizza. You can add sausage, bacon, or I don't know, pineapple, whatever you like in your pizza. Then we're gonna roll them up, making sure that there's no holes where the cheese is going to leak, cause it will. Now we're gonna brush them with some butter, garlic, and Italian seasoning, and then we're gonna pop them in the air fryer at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes until they come out nice and crispy like this. And then to serve, you can do your favorite pizza dipping sauces. I did marinara and some ranch, but there you have it, guys. Hope you like this recipe. Bye! Let's pack today's lunchbox, my friends and followers. Today we're making them something that may not look as cute as it tastes, but that can also be my fault. We're making them a Tuscan-style creamy chicken. I'm going to begin by thinly slicing some chicken breast, and then you season it up with whatever the hell you want. Then you're going to coat it with some flour, a little bit of paprika so it can get a nice little color. Then you put it on your oil, let it get nice and crispy. Remove that shit. And now we begin to make the sauce. To a pan, you're going to add some butter and olive oil, saute your onions and garlic, add some black pepper, some chili flakes, chicken broth, heavy cream, some Parmigiano Reggiano, and a little bit of oregano. You're going to add your chicken back into the sauce. You're going to sprinkle with a little bit of basil or spinach. I like everything to be nice and cheesy, so I am going to add a little bit of Monterey Jack cheese. I let that shit melt, and then I start plating. I've been making a lot of pasta dishes, so I thought that maybe steamed rice would go well, which it did, but you can also use pasta, and it's still going to be slapping. But it's probably the reason why my dish did not look so cute. For their drink, they had the option between a soda or a limonada de pera with some cranberry seeds. And that is it, guys. I'm just going to hurry my ass up, get everything ready for them, including their drink, so they can come pick up during lunchtime. Bye!